Welcome to Mother-Daughter Projects. Today we're going to replace the garage door seal and add some simple installation to the garage door because it gets hot here in Florida. Our original seal didn't go all the way across the door, leaving a gap where bugs would get in and snakes. True story. Through researching a replacement, we learned we probably have an old-style garage door because we couldn't find an exact replacement. We couldn't find a solution in the store, but on HomeDepot.com, we found this Pro Seal replacement with a T-end. The T-end looked like it would fit into the channel of our existing door, so we decided to try it out. The first step was to remove the old seal. With no direction on how to do that, we just pulled it out of the channel. With some muscling, I got it removed and Mom blew out any debris. In the instructions for the Pro Seal, it recommends dipping the seal into soapy water so it'll be easy to slide into the channel. We're all for trying the instructions, but this for sure did not work for us. It kept popping out along the way and we had to keep starting over. I would try to slide it down, Mom would try to keep her end in place, but you know what? We needed to find a plan B. Plan B? Well, we just decided to shove it in place with a flathead screwdriver. And you know what? It worked. This process surprisingly worked. And when we got to the end, we cut off the remaining length and closed the garage to see what we had. As we closed the garage, you can see the seal worked great, and it will continue to conform to the space over the next few weeks. Now on to insulating the door. We'll be using 2.5 boxes of the garage door 8-piece insulation kit. The panels are made of what looks like heavy-duty styrofoam. One side is flexible and the other side is made of a textured plastic-like material. They're sized for standard doors. The first thing that we noticed when we tested the product was this door was not standard at all, but that was okay. We moved forward and cut pieces to size as best we could. After we got the first 4 panels in, we moved on to holding up a panel, marking where it needed to be cut, then Mom cut the panel with a utility knife. She cut through the plastic side, then bit the panel for a straight break. Now, you'll see there are definitely styrofoam pieces that came apart during this step. And yes, this is messy, and yes, you'll have styrofoam on you. And yes, we recommend wearing a mask. We just continued this process of cutting and fitting into place. Here we're cleaning off that styrofoam. There are a couple brands that make insulation for a garage door, but what we liked about this one is once the panels are in place, they give a nice smooth look and no exposed styrofoam. We ordered these from HomeDepot.com and had them delivered directly to Mom's house. Since the panels bend on the inside, it's fairly straightforward to fit them into tight spaces. We ordered 3 boxes and used 2.5 of them and actually put the leftovers in my garage door. When we got to the end and had to fill the gaps on the left side of the garage, we cut some of our smaller pieces to size. With those in place, they stayed in place without any extra securing, but I didn't like that you could see a line where they pieced together. So we decided to put a piece of aluminum tape all the way down for a more uniform look. Whether it's better, I don't know. What do you think? Let us know in the comments below. Now, if your door is more standard, you're going to have more of a full look like these panels here. We did have a few gaps near the bottom panels, and we talked about trying to fill them in, but ultimately we decided it was more trouble than it was worth. The true test was seeing if the panels affected the door moving up and down. Here you can see the door is all the way up and the panels stay nice in place. We've had these installed for a few weeks and have had no issues. We're seeing about a 10-degree difference between the outside and inside temperature, so it has made a difference in the comfort of the garage. If you like this project and want to see more from us, be sure to visit us at motherdaughterprojects.com. And to see all of our whole garage makeover, you can click right here on a playlist on YouTube.